Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and as a mom, I am always looking for more meaningful ways to spend time with my son. One thing we have really enjoyed together is spending time in the kitchen. And this knife set from ZLemma has allowed him to feel important and helpful when we're spending that time in the kitchen together. This knife set is so awesome. It is absolutely adorable, first of all. Each of the different 3 knives has a cute little animal face on it, whether a crocodile or a puppy, and even the cute panda finger guard just adds to the playfulness and excitement of this set. I really like this set because it is child-friendly and safe, but it does cut like a real knife cuts and helps my son learn how to use a knife correctly. I really appreciated that it's 3 different sizes, so he can choose based upon what he's cutting, something that is appropriate and comfortable for him. I wanted something that also allowed him to learn the placement of his fingers, and each individual knife does have a little hole that allows him to know where he should place his fingers to hold a knife correctly. This is really a nice set for kids to learn on. We have tried a variety of different fruits, from fruits to vegetables, hard and soft, and we've really loved how these knives cut through all of it. These would be an awesome gift for any little budding chef. They are super practical, they're so cute, and they're easy to use too. If you have a little chef in your life, I would definitely check out this knife set from ZLemma. The knives are so cute, they actually cut the food, and it's fun for the kids to learn a practical and safe way to use knives. But that's just my point of view.